Today we're diving into a crazy transformation of my bike that you won't want to miss. Trust me, the results are awesome. If you haven't seen my last video where I unboxed these new fairings, make sure you go check that out before you watch the rest of this video. But without further ado, let's get straight into this. All right, we got the back piece off. And now it's time to get the front piece off, the hardest piece by far. Alrighty guys, let's get everything transferred over from this piece to the new one. Well, I'm running into my first issues with these new fairings, and that is the fitment. If you look, this new piece, I mean, it's like way off. There's a huge gap here. This is supposed to be tight. I can't really even get this in there to fit. And I was kind of afraid of that. I got excited when they looked really nice when I unboxed them, but the fitment is kind of horrible, I'm not gonna lie. So it's probably gonna suck to get this all back together to look right, but I'm gonna do my best. So yeah, if you can afford it, go with the OEM fairings. Alrighty guys, well I got this front piece on, and well, let's just say it was definitely not easy. The fitment on these new pieces kind of sucks, I'm not gonna lie, but at least I got it on and it looks decent now, so we'll keep going with the rest of the bike. All right, that looks much better. Thank goodness. Alrighty guys, we are getting close. We got the gas tank piece on, we got this tail piece on, and we got this front piece on that was the hardest. So I think we're past all the hardest parts. All we got now is these little pieces, the side pieces, and then the belly fairings, which should all be pretty simple. I also have something else that I'm adding to my bike that I haven't had before, so keep watching if you want to see what that is. Before I can put the side fairings on, I have to put these on, which are frame sliders. So I finally learned from my mistake after laying my bike down twice and bought some frame sliders that I will be putting on now. So I believe they go here. I've never put them on an older bike. There's not many videos on YouTube about putting these on an 03 CBR, but I will figure it out. So let's do that. And now I have to do the sketchy part, which is drill a big hole in the side of my brand new fairing. So wish me luck. All right, let's hope this is good. Alrighty, and there we have it. Well, my GoPro just died, but I got this one fully on there, nice and solid. And now all we have to do is put this fairing on this side, and then do the same thing on the other side. There we go. Alrighty. Woo! I hope that I never have to take this thing apart again. I love Honda and I love these CBRs, but this one particularly, I'm just sick of taking it apart. Gotta love when your wife brings you a snack and a protein shake while you're working on your machine. Okay, I'm sure that's good enough. I put some berries on that one. Okay, I think I'm done. That was annoying. Now I need to clean up this garage. All right, you guys, I've got the garage finally cleaned up and this thing is finally done. I can't believe it. This was a little harder than I thought it was gonna be, but I'm done and it looks good. Just one final finishing touch. And we are good to go.